Festival Music Kasih Alam Semesta 2025 Malaysia Harmony Dunia Satu Keluarga diumumkan bermula secara rasmi.
It was great, and you see, I didn't expect to be something so amazing like this. You see, the concept of the show itself is bringing unity together. We basically trying to show us we are one Malaysia. So we are one Malaysia, we are one family.
The foundation should carry out more events like this, uniting them in one place. It's not an easy task, but it's a very beautiful thing.
我没有想到这个是讲一个那么大的主题的，希望世界和平，然后国泰民安。
Welcome the Dendang Suara Serantau. They'll be joined by pianist Jojo Yap and cellist Tan Fang Hao. Di daratan yang luas, lautan tiga yang berhutan, mereka saudaraku. We are like flowers in a garden. You can see different types of flowers in garden, and that's what makes the garden interesting and beautiful. It's just like Malaysia, because we are so diverse and we are so different. This is what harmony feels like. Kini gemilang itu semakin pasti ku genggam, gemilang suara keyakinan kian dalam.
Welcome the GSD Performing Arts Studio.
We are from GSD Performing Arts Studio. Especially to you, Inla, because you have incorporated arts, music and dance, it has become a platform where people set aside their differences as audience members, as performers, as advocates for taking care of the environment, of people, all centering around the idea of love, care and kindness.
Pritnajitam sahmanamugram Agnim huvema paramat sadastha Sanah parshadati durgani vishva.
Welcome the Kinta Valley Chinese Orchestra.
Welcome their conductor, Mr. Sebastian Oi.
活动是非常有意义的，让大家意识到，就马来西亚的民众都是希望我们国家和谐繁荣，和希望我们的未来都是越来越好的。所以我是觉得这样的活动应该要多搞，然后要继续再搞。
The UTP Sangga Kirana Gamelan Group.
I never expected the stage to be this colourful and very international level. In Malay, we call it gah lah. It's very gah.
So wow.
Yes.
From this event, we can show to around the world that Malaysia is a peaceful country, even though we have so many races and culture.
Welcome, Miss Darling!
Gelombang hanyut berjauhan melayang kasih ibu, tiada batasnya.
Semua lagu-lagu Inla sangat menyentuh hati, and apa yang Darling boleh cakap, Darling enjoy sangat. Inla is part of my family also. Ya, Darling tak pernah dapat layanan macam ni daripada sesiapa except for Inla.
回归自然，回归自然，让心灵找到家园，生命愉悦，听声呼唤，抚慰疲惫的心灵。
Welcome the Radiant Point Choir Team.
Welcome the Klang Chamber Choir, KCC.
Welcome their conductor, Mr. Lee Shak Yao.
Inla 过去每一场Inla的表演，我都有参加，每一年都是办得越来越好。无论是在节目编排上，无论是在人员的调动啊、安排等等，真的是一年比一年进步。就我们作为表演者来说啦，我们也觉得，哇，在这样的环境下表演是很安心的，是很开心并享受的。
Welcome the UTP Performing Arts Group.
Kita usually join competition, so usually we feel stress and pressure. By joining this kind of event like Inla, there's little to no stress. We are able to mingle around with other dance group like.
Welcome the Radiant Point Scenic Mountain Youth Team of Malaysia.
Kita satu keluarga, saudara. Walau beza kerjaya, lelaki wanita, kita
It's a very unique theme. The way that you guys link it to environment and harmony, and I think through music is something that I've never seen before, or I've never joined an event like this. So it's actually quite unique the way you present it, but the theme is very common. It's something we forget. So the way you present it is also very nice.
Every one of the items presented tonight was so outstanding. The vibrant energy, they gave their best, really gave a good message out to all Malaysians about how important to live in harmony in a one harmonious nation, in a one world family.
This is Malaysia yang harmoni, walaupun berbeza kaum, tetapi kita ada satu arah tuju, ada satu direction yang tepat, where the all Malaysia is same. Everybody is same, everybody is one family. Your program today totally achieve your objective.
Kita manusia walaupun berbeza kaum dan bangsa agama, tapi sebenarnya kita semua sama saja. Kita sama rata dan kita patut berbuat baik antara satu sama lain. Tidak kira sama ada manusia ataupun juga hidupan-hidupan lain. Kerana kita adalah penghuni di planet.
我觉得这是一个非常好的一个活动和表演，因为它传达的是正面的、善良的、和谐的这个能量啊！我觉得我们这个时代、这个社会特别需要这种艺术工作者为我们带来这种正面的、美好的信息，就让我们重新去审视自己在大自然当中的位置。我们作为人，我们在大自然生活，我们不要只是被钢筋水泥包围久了，我们忘了我们自己是大自然的一份子。
My feeling about the whole production was chef's kiss, top notch, high production value. All the seconds were filled with meaning and laughter, and also most importantly, the message came through. The message that we all should live together, coexist, live peacefully, have compassion for each other, and also coexistence with Mother Nature, with wildlife, plants, with all the elements in nature.
Right from the beginning, I was in tears. I was very moved because you brought up so many things that I thought was no longer alive in me. But when I heard the song, the artists you have brought together, it made me feel there is hope. I also want that because I wanted so much, just that I have pushed it away for so long. I forgot that I can feel like this. So you made me remember that I can feel like this.
Or maybe probably in the future to have more events like these with more cultures. It's like a hot pot. Yeah, and to probably achieve this goal of a universal family, that's probably the most important thing that I hope we can achieve in the future as not only Malaysia, but as a satu world, you know, as one nation all together.
Mother Nature!
Mother Nature!
Mother Nature! We love you!